If you're selling Squarespace templates for your business, either as your main gig or alongside your web design clients, then you'll likely be trying to figure out how to make more sales. Selling Squarespace templates or website templates for any platform really is such a great way to increase your income, especially if you're already working with one-on-one clients, building websites already. It's such an easy way to build on top of that and increase your passive revenue in your web design business. We're huge fans of Squarespace here, and we've got tons of experience selling Squarespace templates. If you're interested in wanting to learn about how to start your own Squarespace template shop, you're definitely in the right place. So we talk a lot about the importance of creating your own shop on your own website to sell your templates directly. Selling directly to customers from your own site means that you're not relying on another platform and you have complete creative control over your business, branding, and marketing. But if you've already built your shop and you're now looking for ways to get even more eyes on your templates, there are a few other avenues that you could look into. So let's get into it. Number one is design marketplaces. Design marketplaces are great because they already have built-in audiences looking to purchase website templates. You don't have to work as hard to generate traffic because the marketplace is doing that for you. And the more you distribute your designs across different marketplaces, the larger your reach is going to be and the better chances of getting more sales. So the design marketplaces we love for selling templates are number one, Creative Market. This is an online marketplace for design assets. So independent designers list their design graphics, website templates, stock photography, and other digital design goods to be sold to other creatives. With over 1 million users, you can truly get your templates in front of lots more eyes. Number two is Etsy, which I'm sure you've heard of. So you probably know Etsy though as an online marketplace for unique crafts and handmade goods, but actually it's one of the most popular platforms for digital goods as well. Etsy allows you to sell templates and downloadables to its over 7 million users. Another one we love, which is very specific to Squarespace, is Ghost Marketplace. So Ghost Marketplace is the very first Squarespace design specific marketplace. So if you sell Squarespace templates or plugins, this is perfect for you. It makes it really easy for customers to browse Squarespace plugins and templates. And I know this is a newer platform, so there won't be as many users, but I still think it's really worth checking out and adding your products to. So the thing you really need to keep in mind about marketplaces is that they charge fees. So the fee structure is different for every marketplace and they can get pretty high. For example, Creative Market charges between 30 and 40% per sale. So while that may seem really high, it is important to remember that the people that found you on Creative Market, for example, probably wouldn't have found you otherwise. So you're sort of paying the marketplace for referring that customer to you. So if you think of it that way, it's pretty good, but just remember they all have fees. So this is just another reason we always say to build your own shop and focus on that and make that your priority. These marketplaces are really just extras that you can add on to grow your audience and get more eyes on your templates without really having to do too much. But we wouldn't really recommend putting all of your eggs in one basket and only selling on marketplaces because one, you're always going to have these high fees, and two, you're relying on another platform for your income and you don't really have control of it like we talked about before. It's also important to mention that there's a lot more than these 3 marketplaces that we just talked about. There are so many marketplaces for designs and website templates. So go ahead and add your templates to any marketplaces that you think are worth it. Just remember that every marketplace is going to have different terms and conditions, and you'll just want to check that they accept Squarespace templates before you go through the whole effort of signing up. So the next area that I want to talk about is selling on social media. Now, we all know about social media, and you've probably noticed in the last few years that shopping via social media has become really common. You know, you go onto Instagram and there's the whole shop tab. So you might be thinking that maybe you could add your Squarespace templates to your Facebook or Instagram shop tab. Unfortunately, with Facebook and Instagram, it's actually against the terms to sell digital products. So I'm really just only telling you this to help you save a bit of time. And if you had a question about it, you actually can't add your Squarespace templates to Instagram or Facebook. Some sellers I've seen have been able to sort of sneak their products through. But if the social media platforms find out, and in my experience from trying a few times, they always have and they always do, and they just delete your products. So it's a bit of a waste of time trying. But fingers crossed this is something that becomes available soon or in the future, because having your products directly on Facebook and Instagram is a great way to get more eyes on them. I know it works really well for people with physical products. I just don't know why it's against the terms to do digital products, but fingers crossed that this becomes available to us in the future. Of course, you can still promote your products across social media and you could link your shop in your Instagram bio, but that's not really what we're talking about today. So that's a bit of a bummer, but I did want to talk to you about Pinterest. So the one social platform where you can actually add your shop is Pinterest. This is a fairly new feature, but similar to how Instagram displays products, you can link a shop to your Pinterest profile and kind of have your own shop tab for Pinterest. Now, people will still actually check out via your store, so you have to have that set up. It's not an entirely hosted shop on Pinterest, but you can have a separate shop tab and set up a shop front in Pinterest, which is pretty cool. We always recommend checking out Pinterest for your online marketing anyway, and I will link some tutorials that we have on getting started with Pinterest for your marketing below as well. But if you're using Pinterest, definitely get your Pinterest shop set up and add your templates so people can actually shop them via Pinterest. Okay, guys, that's about all I have for the extra places that you can sell your Squarespace templates. I really hope that was helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, definitely check out our new free training all about why selling Squarespace templates can be so beneficial for your business and the key steps on getting started with a successful Squarespace template shop. I'm going to link that down below the video. It's totally free. You can watch it now, you can watch it later, and it's super actionable and practical. So the link for that is below this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.